Alright, so it's the night before, and I was supposed to be going to sleep at 8 p.m., but, you know, things don't go according to plan ever, so, right now it's like 9 p.m., I gotta wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning, so key things to know when you gotta wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning for, it's not that long of a trip, it's like 5 hours to North Carolina, but anyways, you just need to prep yourself for success, so you prep it tonight. And then tomorrow morning, all you have to do is just gather everything and get out the door. And so just prep yourself for success for the next day. But anyways, I'm making some Tazo Dream tea, so that way it can help me like go to sleep. I usually don't go to sleep this early, so this is why I need this tea. Anyways, and then I have a little bit of honey that I'm gonna put in there. I'm boiling my hot water. But anyways, yep. See you guys in the morning. Bye. Alright, so it is currently almost 4 o'clock and supposed to leave at 3:45 a.m. But, you know, it's okay. That's why you gotta put in some, like, wiggle room time just in case. But, yeah, we're about to head on our way for this 5-hour drive to North Carolina. So let's go.
Dad over the year to change someone's house. I don't know. What are your dreams? So the
Oh my gosh, look at my hair. Anyways, hey everyone, it is actually Monday, not Saturday. Tiffany here, and so I originally was like going to post about, well, do a video Saturday night when I got back from North Carolina and like post about, you know, the trip and like the week and everything, but it's just, I was so exhausted. Like, I only had 2 to 3 hours of sleep, and then I drove for like 10 hours that day. And then when I got back, I was like so exhausted and literally went to sleep from like 10:30 p.m. all the way till I think like 1 p.m. the next day. So yeah, and then I was still exhausted yesterday. Went to sleep pretty early again, and then got about almost 10 hours of sleep. So just woke up. But yeah, I'm doing a cleanse with a bunch of people, and about 16 people, which is amazing. And yeah, it's been a crazy like few days. It's been a crazy week. But I'm just realizing like really how important it is to like delegate your tasks, because I realize like literally cannot do everything, even though I really want to. And yeah, so I'm gonna make some changes and, you know, ask for help, which is something that I'm not very good at. And of course, you know, there are some people who including my husband, who tell me like, you know, Tiffany, you should delegate, you shouldn't be doing everything, you know, it's gonna be a lot on you. And so yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And yes, I still have some Christmas decorations up, so I also need to clean that up as well. But yeah, a lot to do today, and then a lot to do tomorrow and Wednesday. Literally every week I feel like it's jam-packed the first like 3 days, like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday is like pretty chill. I don't know if that's like the same with you guys, but yeah, just let me know in the comments below, like, how is your week usually? Is it like jam-packed in the beginning, or is it jam-packed like towards the end? For me, it's definitely the beginning. So I have a lot to do today, a lot to get done, especially like things that I wasn't able to get done last week. We also had, was it a workshop? Yeah, we had a workshop, our third workshop. It was a time management workshop on Wednesday. And it was the best workshop ever. Like, seriously, we are on such a high from that. And we had about I forgot how many people register. I think it was like 16 people register. I think about 8 people showed up. Like, half of the people that register showed up. And we had people from Africa, from Ireland, from Canada, and of course the United States. But I was like mind blown. I was like, whoa, like, I'm going international, right? Like, international famous here. So I think that's incredible, and I'm so grateful for everything, like all the opportunities that are coming. Lee Chow, who's been like doing these workshops with me, she has been a tremendous help. Like, I'm very detail oriented, so she's very like big picture oriented. So it's just like really great to collab with someone who's pretty much like, besides that, I think pretty much we're this pretty similar. Like, we're very hardworking. We're very like we gotta get this done, and cut out the BS, and so we have similar thoughts, but when it comes to like being detail oriented, she's not that much, and I'm not that much big picture. So it really did work out. So in the workshop, she talks more about the big picture in the beginning, and then I'll go more into the details. So, and we both love what we did. So super proud of her and super proud of us for like doing that. And so because these workshops did very, very well, we're gonna take this time now to actually re-record everything and put it on Udemy. And then also we're gonna take this this month and a half all the way till the end of February to really plan out the next quarter of workshops. So then in March we're going to announce those workshops and start marketing them. Luna, the cat. Okay, anyways, and then after that we're going to do the workshops from April, May, June. So yeah, that's what we're planning to do. And if you guys want to basically be one of the first people to know about these workshops, then definitely click on the link below for Eventbrite. I created an event of people who want to know about the announcement firsthand before it goes out to the public. So we'll definitely email you guys first before we announce it everywhere on our platforms, on social media. Lee also has a YouTube channel. She loves cooking, so she's created that. She's starting to brand herself more in cooking, so I'm super proud of her for doing that, like really going after her dreams. So I'll post a link on her YouTube channel here, so if you want to look at it and subscribe, like feel free to do so. But yeah, super exciting things are happening. But yeah, this week is all about realizing that I can't do everything and I gotta delegate. So let me know in the comments below, like, how was your week? What did you learn this week as well? And I will talk to you guys hopefully this Saturday. We are going to, well, I'm going with my husband to Houston. It's the first time I'm going to Houston. I've never been to Texas before, so this will be really, really exciting. We are going to be flying over there. We were trying to see if we wanted to drive or fly, but we realized like probably flying would be best. So yeah, we're going to be doing that, and hopefully I'll be able to record some of our trip and post it on time. But yeah, I will see you guys this weekend, and I hope you guys have a really good week. Bye. Oh, and also if you're Asian, Happy New Year. It is the Lunar New Year. It happened yesterday. I did spend some time with my family, and we had really good food, played some mahjong. But yeah, Happy New Year, the year of the rabbit. And yeah, talk to you later. Bye.